Hi, welcome to my video again after a long time. Today I'm going to show you that how you can perform t-test. Students t-test is a very simple test that you can compare two means to have a look if there is any significance a relationship or if there any relationship between two means um, is significant. So it's very simple. If you apply XLstat, you can download the XLstat, the free version to your Excel. And after downloading your XLstat, that will show on your Excel, on your Excel tab. So you can go to this Excel stat free like that. If you click it, you can see that the statistical analysis is given here that you can, options are given here that you can perform free. So I got a data set that I was actually analyzing, and I found that using the Excel statistics, the free version of Excel statistics is very useful if you want to do the two samples, t-test or a z-test, whatever it is, whatever suits your data set. So here I got a data set. You can see that the data set is a gene, which is the concentration of zinc inside one and concentration of zinc inside two. So I uh, want to have a look if there is any significant relationship exists between these two concentration to between these two data set. The zinc concentration at side one and a zinc concentration at side two. So in order to do that, how you can, it's very simple that when you click the two sample t-test, then the options will come over here. The dialog box will, the two sample t-test and z-test dialog box is general. You can, there are some options that you can select according to your data that what you want to perform. You can either select one column per sample, one column per variable, or paired sample t-test. Also there are some other options like options, mean to mean, asymptotic p-values, Monte Carlo method. If you want to apply the Monte Carlo method, you can apply this, but I'm not going to talk about this part today. Let me pop up let. You can also find out the missing data option here and the outputs, that how you want to see your outputs. Do you like descriptive statistics there, or you don't need that? If you want to show the descriptive statistics of your data, you can check in that option. And if you want to see details result, you can tick that or untick that, and the summary of comparison that you want to show, want to see. And then a chart. If you want to load any chart, you can just do that. But I think I don't need any chart now. So you can do chart, the dominance diagram and distributions and comparison plot. I think I should try the comparison plot, that how it looks like. So the box plot or a scatter diagram, a scattergram, whatever you like. So I'm just selecting box plot. It's okay. Come back here again. So one column per sample, one column per variable, and pair sample t-test. So let's do the pair sample t-test here. First, no, let's go to the one column per sample t-test. So you can simply select your data here. And then the sample two is the data from site two. So the sample one is the data from site one, you can see, and sample two is the data from site two. and I have selected the column labels, tick mark the column labels and everything. I don't think you have to change anything here. And the student t-test that you want to perform. If you like to perform jet test, you can do that. You can just select jet test, but now I am doing the student's t-test here. So just do that and continue and continue again. And here you go. You find your result of these two data set that you want to see if there is any statistical relationship exist or not. So we found the analysis just provided us the summary statistics, the minimum and maximum value of these two data sets with mean and a standard deviation. And the t-test performed uh, at 95% confidence interval. And we can see here the degree of frequency for p-value is 0.952. That is the important uh, information that we need to use. If the p-value is less than 0.05, we we can consider it that is the significant difference between two data sets. You can see the p-value is 0.952. It's not really very significant, or that means there's no significant difference between these data sets. So statistically, the difference between site 1 zinc concentration and site 2 zinc concentration is not statistically significant. So if you load, we can see that I have, you can remember that I have selected the box plot option as a data visualization. And now I got my box plot here. And this is how you can plot your data. And if you plot your data, this is how it looks like. And there's no significant difference between these two. And you can see the mean, this plus this point is showing the mean concentration of zinc at site 1, and it is the mean concentration of zinc at site 2. And there is no significant difference between these two. Thank you so much. This is how we can perform your t-test. And yeah, if this video helps you, uh, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to get the updated video next week.